Oh my gosh.
That sounds pretty good. We're revving and the cop just passed. So this is the color that I am doing. Holy sh**. Alright guys, so here we're installing the AAM. No, they're not test pipes. They're called short tails. Don't ask me why they call them that. They're resonated short tails. This fool's taking off the old exhaust for me because he already knows how. Doing a quick muffler swap. I don't really consider these mufflers. All it is a nice straight pipe. That's all I see it. And they want to call it short tail, resonator, whatever they want to call it. It's just a nice straight pipe. Don't get me wrong, I wanted to keep the stock exhaust because it looks nice, but my tips are clapped. This fool is weak as hell right now. Are you mind blown? This fool be working at his house struggling. The right way. Struggling. Not with a big head, small body. He'd be like, let's go install something. I'd be like, where? That's the first question. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Sorry guys, this food keeps distracting me. I didn't want a full straight pipe because I didn't want it to sound like that loud VQ raspy sound, so I'm trying to stay away from that. I just want something nice, and I was able to get these for a fat deal. Believe it or not, you guys probably thought they were new. They're not. Basically they're new. Homeboy didn't drive the car, but I bought them used on Facebook off Marketplace. This guy came in clutch with them. So looks like I need a the guy who had these installed did not have them installed very right. So I'll put you guys up just a quick time lapse. I'm not going to show you guys how to take off the muffler and install these because there's plenty of other videos. Maybe we'll go out somewhere tonight just to give you guys some revs to see how it sounds.
Ultimate getaway.
This is the savior. Hey, don't bring that over here. Hey! This is trying to catch me on fire. Put it down. You guys work on cars and you don't know this? I'm upset.
That's still sketchy to me.
Why?
Because it's just making the bolt soft.
Well, obviously it works, right?
Well, obviously it works, yeah. Until you get that Godzilla bolt, that heat not going to affect it. Alright, come on, that's enough. Try it. So honestly, I got low hopes. Moment of truth. You thought you did it, but in all reality, you just stripped it. No, I'm just kidding.
Hell nah.
I'm kidding.
You know how easy that? I didn't even have to put pressure.
Shut up. We saw you over here flexing.
Wrong.
Oh my gosh, what a fail. That thing was about ready to go. Honestly, sounds pretty good. It's nice and deep.
That sounds pretty good, bro. That sounds pretty good. I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well, but in person, that sounds pretty good. How does it sound from inside? It sounds way louder outside.
I like it. This is literally like the best setup that you can get on here.
For real, like,
because it sounds nice and deep. It's not raspy. You know what I mean? Like
it's that VQ rasp. I don't know if you guys own a VQ. Actually, everybody knows it. You don't even have to own one because if you're at meets, you know what a VQ rasp sounds like.
That literally sounds perfect. Like I can't imagine it sounding any better than this.
I'm glad I got the resonator ones because if I didn't, it'd just be straight pipe.
It is cold.
And right now we're revving and the cop just passed. No, it's not. I seen already. Alright guys, so this is just a quick little video. It's probably gonna be a couple videos in this video. I'll come back at you guys at another video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm finally taking my car to get wrapped. We ran into some difficulties where I didn't know what color I was going to choose. The wrap was taking long to get here. I needed to get the front bumper painted, and I think those issues got smoothened out, so I think it's time to actually take the car to Benzo Wraps and let's go see what color we're wrapping the car. I'm sorry guys, this video, I know it's going to be a whole bunch of videos in different days put together. I'm just in that stage right now where I don't have that much content. Let's get on the road. I gotta go pick up the front bumper. They just finished painting it, and from there we're gonna go out to Modesto to go hit up Benzo Wraps. So right now we're heading to the, oh shoot, I told you guys I was forgetting something. I feel naked without my watch. It's all good, it's dead anyways. But right now we're gonna head up to the body shop, pay for that bumper, install it before I head out to Modesto. I'll pick up the camera once I get there. Alright, so we're here at the shop, y'all. We got the Nismo looking spicy. Go pay for, oh, I forgot my wallet. You guys are in Patterson, Rapidos. Those guys, they did a great job. Like, other than, it looks like there's a drip there. Can't really see that stuff though. Looks like they did a good job though. But let me get this bumper installed. Alright y'all, we got that front bumper finally on. It's pretty quick because I don't got the undershroud. It's only the bolts on the sides and like 6 plastic clips in the middle. So there we go. Let's get on our way. Specifically was trying to leave so I didn't catch the rain, because now I just washed the car, clay barred it, ready for the wrapper, but now it's raining. Now it's gonna get dirty, and now the freshly painted bumper is getting wet. I don't know if that's good or bad, but we'll see. Just now pulling up to his shop, and I don't even know if he's here. Don't look like it. Look at who it is. Alright guys, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see this color or it's going to be in black and white, because I'm not sure if I'm going to show you this color. But now that I see it, and now I'm looking through camera and in person at the same time, it does not look the same color as on camera than in person. So if you guys want to see the actual color, you guys haven't seen it in person. Alright guys, so this is the color that I am doing on the Nismo. As you can see, previous owner did an emblem delete. Didn't do it the right way, but we'll get around that. Alright guys, so we ended up going with 3M. We were gonna go with some bootleg wrap. Oh, let's turn it. Shoo! Dude, that's right. Holy sh**. So this is the color we're going with, guys. Like I said, I don't think you could see what color this is, but it's pretty bright. This, we're gonna keep this black, but we're gonna use, what is the Indotech Super Gloss black? Yep. I don't know, this is from a previous owner. It looks, as you could actually see that on camera. See the spider webs and all these, I don't know what marks these are from, but there's a whole bunch of marks on it. So we're gonna rewrap this black, and you guys will see the rest. Alright guys, so we finally dropped off the car. This guy's super right here. So we finally dropped off the car. I'm excited to see this color. I wanted a simple red at first. I wanted the Indotech metallic red, but they didn't have it in stock, and I just re-chose the color. I didn't settle for less, I just chose another color that I really like. It's a very bright color. Put it this way, the color will hurt your eyes. So the previous car I had, which was a Camaro, which was wrapped, it wasn't really a subtle color either. And with wrap, I like to choose a color that's out there because it is removable at the end of the day. So I can just take it off and the car will be back to white. I can't wait to see the color on this car. Ben said he should have it done by Monday. Today is Thursday. So the car should be done within 5 days. I cannot wait, I'm excited. Finally leaving this car here so Ben can start working on it. I know he's waiting for me to leave. I actually have the color in my hand. Hopefully you guys didn't see that. His car's down. I don't know what problem with his turbo. His big turbo, so I don't know what's going on. He ran into a little roadblock, but I told him not to give up because that's what happens when you add power. But all right guys, so I'm gonna pick up the camera. I'll see you guys later. I'll catch up with you guys later. Deuces.